Your fingers? Okay, so first I'm gonna prime my lids with the Smashbox Photo Finish Lid Primer. Oh yeah, this looks nice. On my lids. And then I'm gonna blend that out with my fingers. Oh god. Like so. To get all the veininess out. Then I'm gonna set that with this brush and white peach in the peach palette, because it's just like a plain shade, so I could set it all so it doesn't crease and stuff. Oh, and if you want to see how I did my face, I'll link my dewy, bronzy, glowy look in the description, and I show you how I do all my face and stuff, so you're gonna have to watch that if you want to find out, so watch it. Then I'm gonna start out with this peaches and cream shade, so it's all just matte and plain, because I just figured out the one that I just put on was all shimmery. So I kind of knew that, but I forgot because I'm in like the heat of the moment, you know. Okay, then I'm gonna take this brush, or no, I'm gonna take this brush, no, this brush, and I'm going to place the shade Georgia all on like the inner and outer and like around into my crease on my lid, trying not to like touch the middle part so that like it's easier to cut out whenever I do the halo thing. And then I'm gonna take the shade Just Peachy and do the same thing that I just did with that color. Look at my eye whenever I do this. It moves! How funny is that? Then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side actually, because that's what you do. You light the way. So that's how it looks so far. And then I'm gonna take this blending brush and blend that just so that it doesn't look harsh at all. My face smells good because it smells good. And then I'm gonna take, wait, I think that shade is called Just Peachy. This one's called Candied Peach. And I'm gonna put that on top of that. And that's all. Dip into it. And I'm gonna do the inner and outer corners again, obviously. Like so. I'm probably just gonna speed through what I do on this side because you don't really need to see it because I did the same thing there. Don't know why I just told you that. So now they look pretty even. And now I'm just gonna blend that with this same brush that I used earlier on both sides so the colors aren't harsh. Then I'm going to take that same brush again. It's like I don't really know if it's considered a packing brush, but I'm using it for that. And I'm going to take Puree and Summer Yum and mix that in with my peachy colors. And this, I'm definitely gonna have to go to the forge. Oof, I look like a clown now. Whatever. So, now I'm just gonna blend that out with this bigger brush. It's like a bigger blending brush. Just gonna blend that out real fast so I don't look like a wackadoo. Okay, and now I'm gonna go back in with both of these shades. I'm just gonna mix them, the shades I used earlier, and blinded you. Ha 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 ha. I'm just gonna put this back on top of the brown to make it more peachy again. There she is. Okay, hold on, I need to blend this. Okay, so now I'm going to like cut out the halo with, where the crap, oh there it is, with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade Light. And I'm gonna use a little like thin brush. These are all from BH Cosmetics, just saying. And I'm gonna put a little bit on it, like so. I'm just gonna cut out the halo. And then I'm gonna try not to close my eyelid at all. And then I'm gonna set that with the white peach shade in the Sweet Peach palette. I'm at my cousin's house and she's watching acne videos and has her volume off way too high. So that's how I set that. Then I'm just gonna blend these shades onto it a little bit. And then I'm just gonna repeat that same step on the other side. Cass, are you watching acne videos? Oh. Watch this one. And then I'm just going to set that, obviously the same way that I set the first one. Watch this one too. Okay, so now that those look pretty even, I'm just going to put some glitter on top of that with this packing brush. Not glitter, but like a sparkly shade. I'm gonna put rose water on the brush so that it really like packs it on there, right? And I'm gonna use, let's choose. I'm gonna do Bellini and Luscious. And I'm gonna pack those onto the center of my eye. Like so. On both sides. Ta-da! Then I'm just gonna blend out my crease on both sides, obviously. And then for underneath of my eye, I'm gonna take this brush. It's like a flat tip. And I'm gonna place Candied Peach and Just Peachy all on my lower lash. Check my face. It looks funny. And I'm just gonna keep doing that. Okay, and then for my inner corner highlight and my brow bone highlight, I'm going to be using the Ofra highlighter. It's all over my face. And I'm just going to use that with my finger. And I'm going to put that on my inner corner, like I just said. And under my brow bone, or not under my brow bone, on my brow bone under my eyebrow. Because that's where brow bones are. And then I'm gonna curl my lashes and put mascara on them. Okay, what is that? And I'm gonna be using this mascara. It's chewed up by a dog. It's called Get Big Lashes. So BRB. Okay, so I'm back with my mascara on, and this is the finished look. So, if you liked the halo and the makeup look, then comment down below and tell me to do more and what to do, and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel for more makeup videos and clothes videos and just like some miscellaneous videos. And thanks for watching. Bye.